Welcome to Wonderslate. Buy smart ebooks from the best publishers. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell.
Topic for today's quiz is Number System. Question number 1. The least number having 4 digits which is a perfect square is Option A 1004, Option B 1016, Option C 1036, Option D none of these. The correct answer is Option D none of these. Question number 2. What is the 8th term of the sequence 1, 4, 9, 16, 25? Option A 8, Option B 64, Option C 128, Option D 200. The correct answer is Option B 64. Question number 3. How many odd numbered pages are there in a book of 1089 pages? Option A 545, Option B 544, Option C 546, Option D 542. The correct answer is Option A 545. Question number 4. Find the whole number which when increased by 20 is equal to 69 times the reciprocal of the number. Option A 7, Option B 5, Option C 3, Option D 2.5. The correct answer is Option C 3. Question number 5. A number of 3 digits in scale 7 when expressed in scale 9 has its digits reversed in order. The number is Option A 248, Option B 348, Option C 148, Option D 448. The correct answer is Option A 248. Question number 6. How many integers between 100 and 150, both inclusive, can be evenly divided by neither 3 nor 5? Option A 33, Option B 28, Option C 27, Option D 26. The correct answer is Option C 27. Question number 7. The smallest number by which 3600 can be divided to make it a perfect cube is Option A 9, Option B 50, Option C 300, Option D 450. The correct answer is Option D 450. Question number 8. The sum of two numbers is 462 and their highest common factor is 22. What is the maximum number of pairs that satisfy these conditions? Option A 1, Option B 3, Option C 2, Option D 6. The correct answer is Option D 6. Question number 9. The LCM of two numbers is 4800 and their HCF is 160. If one of the numbers is 480, then the second number is Option A 16, Option B 16,000, Option C 160, Option D 1600. The correct answer is Option D 1600. Question number 10. How many 5-digit multiples of 11 are there if the 5 digits are 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 in the same order? Option A 12, Option B 13, Option C 10, Option D none of these. The correct answer is Option A 12. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.